Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about computer information using PowerShell. So how can we get computer information using PowerShell command? So basically there is a command available, get-computer-info. So this command will display you all the computer information whatever you needed. Okay, you can see all these information, so you can use this information if you want to create an inventory or if you want to troubleshoot any kind of issues. So this is the command which I am executed, that is get computer info. These are the properties, okay, and this is the property attributes which are available. Now for an example, I want to see last boot of time. I need to search here. Okay, so this is little bit difficult to find out, okay, every time, but we have a feature called parameters, okay, in PowerShell. By using that parameter we can find selective properties. Okay, for an example, I want to find the computer name. We can use hostname command as well to find out the computer name, but by using PowerShell we can create script. Okay, we cannot use these type of commands while creating scripts, and if you want to execute any operation based on the scripts output, so we need to use PowerShell cmd lets. So what I will use get computer info command to display all the information whichever available under this command. Okay, so now I want to see only computer name. Okay, get computer info command will help me to identify computer name. So by using this command, after that command I need to use hyphen property, and after property I need to enter cs name. This will, sorry, there is a space after property parameter, so we need to execute this command. This will shows me computer name. Okay, now next I want to see operating system name. What operating system is installed here? We can use win-var command which will displays me operating system name, but I want to get the output in word file or any excel csv file, or I want to execute another command based on the os version, so I need to use powershell command only. Okay, powershell cmd. So what I will use, I will use get computer info, then property os name. This will shows me operating system name, what operating system is installed on this machine. See, you can see here windows, Microsoft Windows Server 2016 standard evaluation. I want to see edition. It is showing already standard, but I want to see it in output. I can use Windows edition ID. So this will shows me edition of the operating systems, server standard evaluation. Okay, next I want to see architecture of the OS. What type of operating system is installed? Of course it is 64-bit only. After 2012 R2 only 64-bit OS are available. Okay, so OS architecture is a property. Okay, architecture, this will shows you OS architecture 64-bit. Okay, I want to see when it is installed. Okay, so we can see install date. Okay, when this OS is installed we can see that by using OS install date property. So this will show me when it is installed. It is installed on 8th April 2023 at 10 p.m. Okay, now next I want to see last boot up time, when this server has been rebooted or booted. We can use property called OS last boot up time. This will shows me last boot up time. today 7th May 2023, 2 o'clock. Okay, now I want to see who logged into this machine at this moment. We can use CS username property. We can filter property CS user name. This will shows me who logged in at this moment on this server. Administrator. Okay, local administrator. Now I want to see processor detail. You can use CS processor, ROCESSORS. See, this is processor detail. Okay, now next I want to see hot fixes. What hot fixes are installed on this machine? Hot fixes. So recently or in past also it will show what hot fixes are installed on this machine. You can find out here. Okay, next I want to see what time zone is selected on this server. Time zone. You can execute same commands on your lab also. So this is time zone which is selected, and what at last but very important point is log on server, from where this is allowed to log in, means from which domain controller this server allowed me to log on this domain controller. From this domain controller I have been authenticated to log on this server. Okay, so this is the way you can identify. But now next thing, I want to see all the properties in one output or one command. What I can do, I can execute all these commands, okay, by using comma. Okay, log on. After this CS name I can use OS name, then Windows edition ID, then OS architecture, OS install date, OS last boot up time, there is no space. Okay, CS username who has been logged in at this moment. Okay, CS processor, time zone configured on this server, and logon server name. So in one command it will show me all the information. If I want to share this information with anyone, I can execute this command. I can take a screenshot of this output and share with them. Or if I want to store this information in TXT format, I can just simply use pipe out file. By using this command we can store file path on C drive. So where I want to store this file, on C drive :/server detail. You can just store with this name. Okay, txt. Execute. This has been stored. You just simply need to execute server details. Open this server details and you can see the information which has been stored. Okay, this is how it is simple. You can execute these commands and you can test on your computer as well. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.